justice. Emran ya dibu mainti. Emrano also follow the pepe. We are governed by rules. And rules of the game. No ni kwa se o try se ube free home. Eju ope true and proper interpretation of these various articles. What constitution? Article 17, 1 and 2. Article 19, 13 and 14. Article 1467 and 8. Article 281. Article 295. Article 2961. Article 23, Article 127, and Article 1253 and 4. Of a true and proper interpretation of this. And then you're there government. Miniaka conflict of interest. Mame cho etymology of conflict of interest. Na say or say when an individual personal interest, family, friends, financial or social factors could compromise, underlying word, could compromise his or her judgment, decisions, or actions in the workplace, not able to make well-reasoning decisions because of some personal gains or self-interest. Yabeka se nipa no why conflict of interest. Now, conflict of interest, I will say, what is red flag in conflict of interest? If you notice, say, there is a lack of transparency in decision-making processes, I will say, financial reporting or disclosure of what? Potential conflict, it could be a red flag. And it's a woman say, adie bi obi te so na our personal gains, no our interest, na the oba beye no. Enya de obeye dia favor wa. Also raise what? Red flag. Chief Justice, already baby ka be men quite free. Na me read the decision of Henry Tamensa Bonsu dissenting that Oban Sabeba Bay authority in the near future. Now, Article 281. Chief Justice Nema or you say 1. I was a matter no. Yeah, in camera, on camera, anti matter no, you hold no publicly. I know you're 1. Ubibeka trust Article 146 in camera. Constitutional provisions, we don't read them in isolation. Provisions in the woman and we read certain provisions is in tandem with other provisions, or certain provisions are in tandem with other provisions. And what kind of provision be waha also the kwakuhwe baby. Mami read Article 218, whether or not say also mama public etia. Article 218 say, except as may be otherwise ordered by the Commission in the interest of public morality, public safety, or public order, the proceedings of a commission of inquiry shall be heard in public. Article 218. So when you are reading Article 146, it's in consonance with Article 218. That is why America said we don't read constitutional provisions in isolation. Ahanyina chese maame no ope pepepe ya e was a public eye adwuma enoka the release na osikini bi ho. Oko Article 1253. Article 1253 aka bibi ho a eno so betimi on 295. Article 295 me read interpretation section or say public interest includes any right or advantage which inures or is intended to inure to the benefit generally of the whole of the people of Ghana. Public interest, and again, say nipa wo interest why the mono e ade be benefit the entire people of Ghana. And to say we bibia yema and na homo bi ehu sa Article 146 no is also intended with 2951. It ma mena hwehwe say mo be na public mo televise no obi ehu sa wo de pepepe ye na eye no eno achi no say nipa ye omete committee isu judge for ye omete isu obi e the petitioners ni bi asem aye ruling di amano ana ade na betena committee isu say oni obi teso wadi about one of the petitioners e ho so ma me say wodi asem nyina na wo say me di asem obi me di bi ma obi na me form e na tanu nti wo de what the petition di abremia he who seeks equity must do equity ene na won so sa enipa we a wo the petitioner we a wabai wadi ni nsem ba mienu yensa na bienu ama ye hu say ubu ama no ye de wa betema so say be di me ne mienu asem
na say ubu ama na it was based on the law.
Very well, I'm not saying say that is why I said that he who seeks equity must do equity. Maame no so ye empanel and what na so bi no odi asem no so ka petitioners na asem bi wo say maame na tena asem so abua de ama obi enti no so ka ho bi enti na make say wow pepepepe no fa pepepe ye di kan. Now memra so Henry Tamensa Bonsu, Justice of the Supreme Court, ni dissenting view ebeba be ye authority ama unse ye school na yesua de ne senior nim I thought that dissenting view nti ye wo akwa bi ye judge bi ye friend Lord Denny no dissenting na ne mra na no de ba ye ni na be ye mra ene yentie de Henry Tamensa Bonsu ekaye knowing the importance of the preservation of judicial independence in the court's ability to protect the citizens against the powerful in the community. Many are the provisions and safeguards provided under the Constitution. It is not for nothing that judges are required to take a judicial oath to administer justice without fear or favor. Justice are to administer what? Justice without fear or favor, affection or ill will. How can the judiciary guarantee everyone's constitutional right to fair treatment? To fair treatment if it cannot enjoy any such right when allegations of impropriety are made against the head of that institution itself. The last one is also the people of Ghana would certainly be the poorer for having a judiciary that cannot protect them against the overwhelming power of the executive, another class of citizens on whom there will be hardship in the class of persons who have made it. Honorable Asifua mo the court, Supreme Court na the decision na ode bae. I said judiciary no ene ono akasa ntimi protect no because judicial independence article 127 no ene yetiatia so. Enti nempo judiciary no ne head a what is say class prefect. So okwa class na class prefect ne nanim ye atitia na ye promote class prefect ne basa class no there will be confusion. Na judiciary ne ntimi protect na ho ni ama the executive ne power to undermine Article 127 now. Judiciary also protected the poor people in the society, no? And then yet not to.
All right, lawyer Evans.
How come ordinary citizen of Ghana or no obey me and Yafahudi?
Well, your guess could be good as mine.
It was so.
The time has
Ken, what's the meaning of your kind? Very funny, very funny. Are you saying the judiciary now also protect them? That judiciary should be arbitrary to the extent that maybe or the money.
That is not there. That is not.